So I was infected in the summer of 2010. And since then, I think the biggest thing to happen to the world of HIV has been PrEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis, because what I think PrEP sort of signifies is an end to the HIV epidemic. I feel like after we've figured out that we can actually stop HIV before it happens, we can now figure out a cure. We can figure out a vaccine. We can figure out all sorts of things. And I think one of the other major things has been the Berlin patient. For those of you who know about the Berlin patient, he was a cancer patient who also had HIV, who in the process of treating his cancer, they wiped clean his immune system and replaced it with that of someone who has a genetic deficiency with their CD4 cells. And this genetic deficiency prevents HIV from latching onto the immune system, onto the white blood cell that HIV needs to replicate itself. So from that, he has a functional cure. But because that was a sort of like risky procedure, what they are looking at, I believe, from that procedure is how to mimic that on a wider scale without it being such a huge risk with having to wipe clean somebody else's immune system to cure HIV.